Discover your dream country retreat on beautiful rolling acreage just minutes away from Lake Thunderbird and Oklahoma City. The land features lush grass for grazing, mature timber for hunting, and ponds providing water and fishing opportunities. The property also offers cross fencing for rotating animals or hay production. With its prime location and endless possibilities, this property is perfect for creating your ultimate country getaway, complete with your jaw-dropping sunrises and sunsets right from your back porch. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.